So this is my first English voiceover. Let me know how you feel about it down in the comments, and I might do more. So this cake is for lazy people or people with no baking skills. Like me, my cakes are usually rock hard. Or just for the time you need a nice looking dessert quickly. Or for the summertime, when turning on the oven is out of the question. This is a no-bake cake. It's also very cheap. I guess it's under €5 for the whole thing. You need decrusted white bread, mascarpone cheese because it's thick enough, sugar, castor sugar, flavoring, and some juice or other liquid. This method also makes it delicious, almost authentic tiramisu. Just add rum aroma, try saying that quick, rum into the mascarpone and dip the bread into some coffee. Then sprinkle the cake with cocoa and there you have it. You will need about 20 minutes to assemble it and some time to chill it a little, or overnight if you have the time. We chose strawberry cream flavor, hence the strawberry juice and vanilla sugar. We make apricot cream cake a lot as well, and it's awesome. Another good thing to add is some canned fruit or fresh soft fruit like some berries. Not necessary though. What you need to do is moisten the cake well with the juice. The whipped cream is there to soften the mascarpone cheese. I don't think the whipped cream on its own would be enough. I think the bread would soak it up and there would be no more cake, just soggy toast. can double or quadruple the ingredients to make it a bigger cake, fancier cake, a birthday cake. Decorate it a little and that's it. Stick a candle in it and call it a day. It's the lazy summer cake. Lena poletna torta. Dober tek.